Welcome to Bestsellers Market, where we bring you the top picks in the world of Amazon products. I'm thrilled you could join us today. In this episode, we'll be diving into a countdown of the best-selling body armor products currently available on Amazon. Whether you're looking for enhanced hydration or superior sports drinks, we've got the inside scoop on the favorites that are flying off the shelves. Without further ado, let's get started and see which body armor products are making waves right now. In the world of automotive maintenance, precision and protection are paramount. Enter the Gear Wrench Magnetic Fender Cover, 86991, our number 5 pick in today's countdown of top-selling body armor on Amazon. Imagine a tool designed not just for utility, but for a touch of brilliance. This fender cover, with its ingenious sewn-in magnets, clings effortlessly to any metal surface, offering a steadfast grip as you work. No more fussing with flimsy covers or worrying about slipping. It stays put, allowing you to focus on the task at hand. Crafted to safeguard your vehicle's finish, it prevents those annoying grease smudges and scratches that can tarnish your hard work. The thick, slip-resistant vinyl not only provides a durable barrier but also makes cleanup a breeze. A simple wipe, and it's ready for your next project. If you're after a blend of convenience and protection, the Gear Wrench Magnetic Fender Cover, 86991 is a game-changer, bringing both innovation and practicality to your garage toolkit. Unveiling number 4 in our countdown of top-selling body armor on Amazon, the OEMTOOLS 24899 Soft Fleece Fender Cover. For those who value their vehicle's finish as much as their mechanic's craft, this fender cover is a revelation. Engineered as a service safety blanket, it shields your car's surface from scratches and damage during any maintenance endeavor. Made from durable yet exceptionally soft microfleece, it's designed to be gentle on your vehicle, ensuring a pristine finish every time. The vibrant green hue of this fender cover isn't just for show. It provides unbeatable visibility, making it impossible to overlook. A feature that could save your car from unwanted mishaps. And when the job is done, cleaning is a breeze. This cover is machine washable, with removable magnets that protect your washer from any damage. At 42 inches by 24 inches, this fender cover is generously sized to accommodate a variety of vehicles. The powerful magnets, neatly positioned at the top corners, guarantee a secure hold without the hassle of ties or adhesives. Incorporating a touch of convenience and a splash of color, the OEMTOOLS 24899 stands as a testament to thoughtful design and automotive care. Reaching the number 3 spot in our countdown of the best-selling body armor on Amazon, the 3-piece Magnetic Fender Covers by Ryu. Engineered with precision and durability in mind, this set of fender covers is a game-changer for mechanics and car enthusiasts alike. Crafted from a robust PU leather surface combined with a soft fabric backing, these covers prevent scratches and damage, ensuring your vehicle's finish remains flawless. Their waterproof and anti-corrosion properties make them both resilient and easy to clean, proving that practicality and quality can go hand in hand. This innovative set includes 3 full coverage pads, designed to shield the entire front cabin of your car. Whether you're working on a sedan, station wagon, SUV, or light truck, these covers provide comprehensive protection, eliminating worries about accidental scratches during repairs. The Ryu fender covers feature a unique arrangement of strong magnets and hooks, offering dual security for a steady and reliable hold. The magnets ensure a firm grip on metal surfaces, while the hooks provide an additional layer of stability, making your maintenance tasks smoother and more efficient. Before purchasing, remember to measure your car's fender to ensure a perfect fit. Note that while the magnets work excellently on most surfaces, they might not adhere to aluminum fenders. In such cases, you can use the hooks for secure attachment. With 3 fender covers included and the promise of dedicated customer service, Ryu delivers both quality and reliability in automotive accessories. Trust in Ryu to safeguard your vehicle while you work with confidence. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling body armor on Amazon? If so, don't be shy. Show us some love. Hit that like button, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest and greatest in vehicle protection. Claiming the number 2 spot in our countdown of top-selling body armor on Amazon, is the three-piece fender covers for mechanics, featuring 25 strong magnets and crafted from premium microfiber leather. This set delivers unparalleled full protection for your vehicle. Covering the entire front end of your car, these fender covers allow you to move freely without a second thought about potential scratches or damage. The expansive coverage ensures that every inch of the front end is shielded, making your maintenance projects a breeze. Crafted from high-quality microfiber leather, these covers not only excel in durability, but also offer an environmentally friendly, non-toxic alternative with minimal odor. The waterproof, anti-corrosion properties of the leather make it a practical choice for long-lasting use and easy cleanup. What sets these fender covers apart is their impressive stability. With 25 strong magnets and 7 hooks, this system provides dual security to keep the covers firmly in place. The magnets offer a robust hold on metal surfaces, while the hooks provide an additional layer of attachment, ensuring the most secure fit available. Note, however, that while the magnets are ideal for most surfaces, they might not adhere to aluminum fenders, so be sure to use the hooks for a secure fit in those cases. Available in 2 sizes, these fender covers are designed to accommodate a range of vehicles. Choose the medium size for sedans and station wagons, or opt for the larger size for SUVs and light trucks. Remember to measure your fender before purchasing to ensure the perfect fit. With a 100% satisfaction guarantee and a 1-year worry-free warranty, these fender covers from Pcs Fender Covers ensure both quality and peace of mind. Trust in their superior design to protect your vehicle and enhance your repair experience. Capping off our top 5 countdown with the number 1 pick, the Danti Black Cowl Body Armor Outer Cowling Cover for Jeep Wrangler JKJQ Unlimited Rubicon Sahara X Off-Road Sport, spanning model years 2007 to 2018. When it comes to off-road adventures, safeguarding your Jeep from trail hazards is paramount. Enter Danti's Body Armor Cowl Guards, engineered to offer unparalleled protection. These guards shield your Jeep's paint from the perils of brush, stones, and debris, and provide an elegant solution to conceal existing scuffs and scratches. Installation couldn't be simpler. Forget the mess of glue or the hassle of drilling. With Danti's Cowl Guards, you're equipped with 3M double-sided automotive bonding tape for a straightforward, secure attachment. Just clean the surface, peel off the backing, and position the guards for a perfect fit. Crafted from high-quality acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, ABS, these guards are not only robust but also lightweight. The textured black finish imparts a rugged, aggressive look that complements your Jeep's rugged persona. Designed using precise CAD data, these cowl guards promise a flawless fit, tailored specifically for Jeep Wrangler JK and JKU models from 2007 to 2017. Included in the pack are both driver and passenger side guards, ensuring complete coverage. And with a 100% satisfaction guarantee and a 1-year warranty, Danti stands behind their product, offering a full refund within 30 days if you're not completely satisfied. For unbeatable protection, effortless installation, and a touch of rugged style, the Danti Black Cowl Body Armor is your top choice. Elevate your Jeep's defense and appearance with this exceptional body armor solution. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the top-selling body armor on Amazon. To keep up with all the best sellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the featured products we discussed today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.